Fumbling for keys in the dark, wondering if you remembered to lock the door, getting locked out while taking out the trash. Traditional locks create daily frustrations we've all experienced. Smart locks eliminate these headaches entirely, offering keyless entry, remote control, and the peace of mind that comes from always knowing your door's status. We've tested the best smart locks across every entry method and feature set to find which ones deliver reliable security, convenient access, and genuine smart home integration. If you're interested in any of the products mentioned in this video, you'll find the links in the description below. Number 6. Deslock D110 Plus. Affordable doesn't have to mean basic. This budget-friendly smart lock delivers surprisingly thoughtful features that prioritize both convenience and security without the premium price tag. The fingerprint reader responds quickly, letting you unlock with a simple touch. No fumbling with apps or codes when your hands are full. The touchscreen keypad includes a clever anti-peeping feature that lets you add random digits before and after your passcode, preventing shoulder surfers from memorizing your code. Installation and setup prove straightforward, while the small integrated screen simplifies adjusting settings without needing your phone. Google Assistant and Alexa compatibility covers most smart home users, though Apple HomeKit finds no support. Automatic locking is available, though without a door sensor, the lock engages even if your door remains open, a limitation to note. BHMA Level 3 certification represents entry-level security standards, and broader smart home platform support is limited. But for budget-conscious users wanting fingerprint convenience, keypad backup, and basic voice control without flagship pricing, this delivers practical keyless entry. Number 5. Yale Smart Lock with Matter. Design cohesion meets smart home versatility in a lock engineered for Google Home ecosystems. While Matter compatibility ensures it works across platforms, this lock truly shines when paired with Nest devices, sharing their refined design language for a unified aesthetic. The sleek form mirrors Nest doorbell and Nest camera styling, if visual consistency matters. This delivers that polished look where every device feels part of the same family. Beyond aesthetics, certain features unlock exclusively through Google Home. DoorSense technology prevents the lock from engaging when your door remains ajar, avoiding a lock deadbolt on an open door. Guest code management also runs exclusively through Google's platform, giving you granular access control. Matter support future-proofs your investment, ensuring compatibility as standards evolve and providing backup control through Alexa or HomeKit. While other Yale locks offer similar features with broader support, none match this design harmony with Google's Nest ecosystem. For those invested in Nest products wanting their smart lock to match that ecosystem's look and functionality, this delivers visual and technological integration other locks can't replicate. Number 4. Yale Assure Lock 2. Universal compatibility defines this smart lock's appeal. Supporting Alexa, Google Home, HomeKit, SmartThings, and Matter, it integrates with virtually any smart home ecosystem. Control it from iPhone or Android, through smart speakers, or via voice commands without platform lock-in. Yale offers exceptional customization. Choose touchscreen or keypad-only versions. Add or skip the key slot, include fingerprint reading, storing up to 20 prints, and select from multiple finishes. Apple Home Key support lets iPhone and Apple Watch users simply tap to unlock. Genuinely futuristic convenience. 4 AA batteries power the lock, with lithium-ion versions lasting at least 4 months. Should batteries die while away, emergency 9-volt battery contacts let you power up and enter. Swappable internal modules let you switch between Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or Zigbee connectivity as your smart home evolves. The quirk? You must press the Yale logo before entering your code, an extra step that confuses first-time visitors. For users wanting maximum flexibility across smart home platforms, extensive customization, and Apple ecosystem integration, this delivers premium features with genuine future-proofing. Number 3. Lockly Secure Plus. Security innovation takes center stage with a lock that rethinks passcode protection. While the fingerprint reader offers convenient biometric access, the truly brilliant feature is Lockly's Pin Genie touchpad, a security solution executed better than anywhere else. The keypad divides into 4 circles, with numbers randomly repositioning each time you wake the lock. Your muscle memory remains, but actual numbers constantly shift, making it impossible for thieves to deduce your code from fingerprint smudges or by observing buttons. Installation flexibility sets this apart, available as deadbolt replacement or lever lock, giving you options for different door types. The fingerprint reader stores multiple prints, while the innovative keypad provides secure backup. The compromise comes with connectivity. Bluetooth is built in, but remote monitoring and smart home integration require purchasing a separate Wi-Fi adapter. Platform support limits to Google Home and Alexa, leaving Apple HomeKit users without compatibility. For security-conscious users prioritizing advanced passcode protection and installation flexibility over extensive smart home integration, this delivers genuinely innovative thinking. Number 2. Aqara U400. Walk up and enter convenience redefines what smart locks can do. Ultra-wide band technology detects your approaching iPhone or Apple Watch, automatically unlocking before you reach the handle. No tapping, no scanning, no codes, just seamless entry that feels genuinely futuristic. Security concerns? The system intelligently distinguishes whether you're approaching from outside or already inside, preventing accidental unlocks when moving around your home or walking past the door. It's key to your Apple profile, making credential sharing with family members straightforward. Multiple backup access methods ensure you're never locked out. Touchscreen keypad, NFC tap, fingerprint reader, or traditional key. Matter over Thread compatibility delivers universal smart home platform support, though you'll need a compatible hub like newer Amazon Echo, Apple HomePod, or iPad. The limitation? That magical auto-unlock feature exclusively serves iPhone and Apple Watch users. Android users miss the signature capability. For Apple ecosystem households wanting the absolute pinnacle of keyless convenience, this delivers access so seamless you'll forget doors ever needed unlocking. It's invisible technology that anticipates your needs. Number 1. Lockly Visage. Facial recognition takes smart locks to an entirely new level. Simply approach your door, and the integrated camera recognizes your face, unlocking instantly. No hands, no phone, no codes required. It stores up to 100 approved faces for comprehensive household and guest access. Beyond facial recognition, Lockly's innovative Pin Genie keypad remains on board, with numbers that randomly reposition to prevent code deduction from fingerprint smudges. A fingerprint reader adds another biometric option, while a traditional key slot provides ultimate backup. The camera integration feels underutilized. It only activates when someone approaches, rather than functioning as a continuous security camera. At $349, that's a missed opportunity. Battery life demands attention, requiring monthly recharging with regular use, though Lockly includes a spare. Cold climate residents note, while the lock operates down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, facial recognition reliability drops below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. For users wanting the most advanced, feature-packed entry system and willing to pay premium pricing for facial recognition convenience, this delivers capabilities no other residential smart lock matches. So there you have it. 6 exceptional smart locks that bring keyless convenience and enhanced security to your home. If this video helped you choose the perfect smart lock for your needs, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart home reviews and security guides. Thanks for watching, and here's to smarter, more secure home access.